Okay, so we're about to see what the inside of a refrigerator looks like. Oh, there's gross. There's gross, no good spot. Oh, out of the jar.
Oh my God!
That's what the inside of a fridge looks like. Oh yeah, it's just Cope Over Grizz here with my bud Carson.
First Fast Steve, 1, 2, 3, 4. What's up?
I don't think he has any dip videos on his channel. I don't even think he has any videos on his channel, but if he'd be nice enough to hold this fucking camera for me while I got the Copenhagen wintergreen that didn't have any long cut, I was kind of pissed off. Or snuff, they didn't have snuff either. But I'm about to film in a bit. And yeah, maybe this will wake me up. Also, I was all fucking not trying to get titty pictures from girls on this fucking shit. Nothing, it didn't work out. Fuck yeah, this is gonna be one good old chew. First one of the day, actually. Come on. Well, fuck me running. I like the taste of wintergreen, I just don't like it that much anymore. So I just wanted to make a little video. I was bored and we don't have anything to do. We'll be hanging out with her nothing, so I guess we're just waiting for Thomas to get off work. Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.